Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, leather seats, heads-up display, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2019 X5. The BMW X5 is an award-winning performance, space, and efficiency vehicle. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.